Countries to discuss conservation of genetic resource for food, agriculture at CGRFA. What is CGRFA? That is Commission on Genetic Resource for Food and Agriculture, and 20. That means the 20th meeting of this commission will be held in Rome, in Italy, and the parties are coming together to discuss the matters associated with the food security as well as climate change. So we know that in prelims you can expect questions related to this from the topic general issues on biodiversity and the environment, and in the mains GS paper 3 you can expect questions from biodiversity and agriculture. So let us discuss more about this commission from the prelims point of view. So first we are going to see an overview about the commission. So it is a only permanent intergovernmental body for addressing the problems or issues associated with the biological diversity for food and agriculture. So permanent intergovernmental body. We have other permanent intergovernmental bodies like United Nations, World Trade Organization and all, but this is the only permanent body that we have to address issues associated with the biological diversity for food and agriculture. So the objective of this organization is to ensure the food security in a phase of rapid or accelerated climate change. So it is established by the Food and Agriculture Organization in 1983, and it is headquartered in Rome in Italy. And coming to the membership, nearly 179 member countries are there, plus European Union, and India is a member to this organization. So not that India is a member to this organization. And the next, coming to the objectives of this organization, you can see the first major objective of this organization is to bring an international consensus on sustainable use and conservation of genetic resource for food and agriculture. And the next major objective is to ensure fair and equitable sharing of benefits from the use. We know that due to the development in the biotechnology, every day we can say that we are developing climate resilient crops and seeds, but at the same time it is very important to ensure that the benefits from this developments are reaching everywhere. And coming to the scope, initially the organization was focusing only on plant genetic resource, but now it is expanded beyond plant, and it is inquiring into animal, forest, aquatic, microbial, invertebrate genetic resource. So coming to the key functions of this organization, it addresses food security, nutrition, climate change, and climate change adaptation. And it also monitors status of genetic resource and implementation of policies. So this is a two important function. And the next is reports and global action plan. So the first report on the state of world animal genetic resource was published by this organization in the year 2007, and this resulted into the global action plan for the animal genetic resource in 2007. And the second report on the world's animal genetic resource was published in 2015. And related to this organization, we have a treaty, that is International Treaty on Plant Genetic Resource for Food and Agriculture, and this was adopted in the year 2001, and it ensures conservation, access and management of plant resource, and it also supports the development of new crop varieties for food security. And coming to the importance of the a treaty, that is International Treaty on Plant Genetic Resource for Food and Agriculture, it provides solution for crop diversity laws and climate change adaptation, and it also uses mechanisms like multilateral system and benefit sharing fund to address the problems like the climate change and the loss of biodiversity. So in this topic we discussed about the commission, that is Commission on Genetic Resource for Food and Agriculture. So based on our discussion, try to answer this prelims practice question. The question is, with reference to the Commission on Genetic Resource for Food and Agriculture, consider the following statements. The statement 1, it is the only permanent intergovernmental body that exclusively focus on plant genetic resource for food and agriculture. And Statement 2, the commission was established by the United Nations Environment Program in 1983 to address concerns related to the biodiversity laws, and India is a member to this commission. Statement 3. And Statement 4, the International Treaty on Plant Genetic Resource for Food and Agriculture is legally binding and was adopted under the commission's framework. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? The correct answer is option B, 3 and 4 only. India is a member to this commission, and the International Treaty on Plant Genetic Resource for Food and Agriculture is legally binding and was adopted under the commission's framework. Yes, the correct answer is option B. So it is only permanent intergovernmental body that exclusively focuses on plant genetic resource for food and agriculture. See, currently it is wrong because it is focusing beyond the plants. Like I mentioned, initially it was focused only on plants, but now it is focusing beyond the plants, and therefore this statement is wrong. And the commission was established by the United Nations Environment Program. No, actually it is established by the FAO, that is Food and Agriculture Organization, but the year is correct. Statement is entirely correct, but the thing is, it is not by the United Nations Environment Program, it is by the Food and Agriculture Organization. So there the statement 2 also goes wrong, and the statement 3 and statement 4 is correct.